I your I got the results. Came back from my cough. It's not that bad though. So the doctor gave me some antibiotics for it. The doctor gave me some antibiotics for it for 2 weeks. I'm not gonna tell you what the antibiotics is called. But yeah. That's what this video is about. I'm gonna make a lot of videos like this all day today. I'm bored. I'm up in the house chilling, waiting for my antibiotics today so I can start taking them.